You guys are the
76 streets.
Had a little problem yesterday. We found out that buying the new gearbox and installing it, we have to have the computer mesh with the engine, causing now the car not to have third gear. That was a big problem. We were very worried as what the outcome would be on race day, especially with qualifying. When around, I was actually having to go from second to fourth gear, so causing, of course, the lap times to diminish quite horribly. Congrats to Kyle and David for both breaking the track record. You know, they have done a phenomenal job in upgrading their car. But we have our new engine coming in about a month's time, so looking forward to that. And you know, just a while ago today, we were supposed to go there, but the car jammed in gear and we just couldn't get it started. But we've been able to release it now and everything seems fine. We're able to start the car now, so we should be here for the next race again. And you guys at 876 Streets, you're doing a fantastic job. Keep it up.
876 Streets.